Same time.
Thursday nami nge-Black Queen Lifestyle. Sikhona la live. Na poetry. Had me every time Janisi. Na sweet mic.
Simple mic.
And simple mic.
Yeah.
My brother.
Later.
Long time.
Ah,
It's
no,
been
it's been
months.
a
Last year, ne?
Yeah, it was last day.
I know, I accept so.
Yeah. Ngani mhlawumbe ungekho uhlala ugijima so ngiya-understand uyagijima.
Mina ngigijimisa tunda emadloti kakhulu.
Unemanga wena.
Yeah, so
Onke ngakubona by the way ungane ndansi. Bowusemgwenya bowukuphi mara ayisibudloti mhlaba bokuphi singakho.
ngibhizinga.
Ngasi bowusemandini ya. Angakubona ugcokeli.
Phela lama calling awafani.
Oh.
Yeah, lama calling awafani so ngigijimisa tunda abantu abadzala isikhathi esiningi. So that's why ubona mangithi lesinye isikhathi ngigijimisa itinto talelikazi ngithi ngizama ukuthi abantu lethi awareness yabo. So ngithunyele ngiyo labantu abadzala sibona abaningi bacasa singahlanga. Lesinye isikhathi yabona singathi lama lesimo sebantu abadzala sibona ngathi uyakhitha ukuthi abantu abaningi because uba different.
Ngesuthu bathi uyatsena.
So manje bana bani bacabanga lahlekile likhwebukile manje kude lesitobuhle lesingwe yabo. Yeah, fair.
Angikhali mina.
I know so nami ngimlebe ngisolo ngithi sitawubonana before nyalo nje sekuma election so siyaphuma but nambe ngiyibe ngaphandle ngibe kancane mic kancane.
Oh, because of the into abantu abathi.
Yeah, netinto ukuthi other people when you call them back disappoint yabo. I don't know how many times ngide like Black Queen umuntu angithi yabo.
Oyisana.
Yeah, mara.
No, I'm sorry man.
Yeah, but it's the game.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
but we keep pushing.
Yeah,
even if back down or back disappointed, we keep pushing.
Why not? Mama, why you busy doing this thing? Because I went in it, yabo.
Yeah, it's your passion.
Kan mina ngizara ufuna ukuthi move wena mputhi ngendindlo so kubuye na.
Bien elsanga.
Kan it's not like that, yabo.
Yeah.
I'm so shocked if you say when before we started shooting you and Cancel and normal.
Yeah, no.
You're not on campaigning.
No, I'm no longer campaigning.
Why?
Asian virtue. As for me, ngicabanga ukuthi bu councillor candidate. Biyafana na grade 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying that.
Okay.
Why ngithi kuyafana na grade 1?
Yeah.
I've been there, I've done that.
Yeah.
Ngile sepalini and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But phela sewuvulele labanye ba take over. You see lamanye ma seniors wethu sinasicoca in politics.
Yeah.
But in China you are a parliament material.
Yeah.
You are a parliament material.
Yeah.
So okay, mhlawumbe because nama processes lekumele umuntu adlule kuwo.
Kahle.
But mina I believe ukuthi umuntu la ngabe unawukhula yabo.
Yeah.
Shift phela tsothi ungahlali ndzawonye so lo ngifuna nobukhansela ngekani ayihambi njalo uyashifta kungene lomunye umcorrecte la kungukuthi mhlambe uyamosha and stuff like that bese wena uya kulesinye standard phela you can't do grade 1 for 8 years.
Yeah, you can't.
You just can't.
No, it's impossible.
Yeah.
Like I'm so shocked mangibuka those people laba campaigner lapha bafakile ukuthi bafuna ukukhansela. Hey, ayilikazi.
Linyamazane.
I'm so shocked like alona. Nekuzvela umuntu wamnyathi but you can tell usana man this thing say is a game. Ngathi kuyadlala.
But you know people fail to understand ukuthi politics it has got nothing to do with popularity.
Yeah.
You can be popular mara you are not a politician.
Yeah, that's true.
And uze upopular ngayiphi indlela kukhona abantu bahluleka nyalo bahluleka ukuthi ba understand ukuthi there's staggerism which pushes you to populism or popularity and then bese ufuna kungena ku political space. That ain't me. Yabona. So that's why yabona nje ukuthi you are shocked. Shocked because uthuswa ngilokubona ukuthi amen le game itshintshile yabona ibanjwe abantu laba so and they think that they can be councillors is being a politician. You become a politician before you become a councillor. You become an activist before you become a councillor.
But ngani bayibonile before 5 years back 10 years back ukuthi you can't be a councillor without
but that's why against me that is popularism.
Yeah.
They think ukuthi once wangena ku council yabo then you can be a councillor in the next elections yabo that's why bayigijimisa kanzi lokunye bantu bangakhotha imali but I taste nje bayivuza imnanzi la abafuni kudeda kule space I don't know why
ungabasola wena
well ngabasola
yeah phela uyati mina ngize ngithi angeke ngibasola because lo muntu vele bekayidesile position so that's the reason angafuni shift yes awufuni shift because you're not doing anything yabona mina ecancel if they can say ukuthi umuntu ovuka ekseni uyasebenza somewhere else bekasebenza vele uphume pension sambiyeka le position uphume pension yakho udlela imali yakhe bekangafuni kungena but ufaka mina lo 25,000 mangiyona per month angiwutholi nyaka ngikhula ngithola 250 rand
yeah that's cool
so mangiya 25,000 rand per month ngala nginemajojo lengwendawo ngingafuna kuphuma le position
well ngeke uzufune but bantu ufuna abahlakaniphe man bhuti bantu ufuna abahlakaniphe and especially youth because I should think Nelson Mandela who once said no it's not Nelson Mandela man who once said a country that does not take care of its youth is a dead country.
South Africa.
That is South Africa. Yabo. But ngeke nyalo sithi because South Africa is a country. South Africans.
Yes.
And lokwenda i-country ngilama branches lafana nathi.
Yes.
And ultimately kuba i-province or i-luwad and ultimately it becomes a region iba i-province then iba i-nation uyabo so asiqale la ku-grassroots level branches of the ANC are failing to see ukuthi or to realize that hey this is not a good leader asesimshift phela simbeke la eceleni ngoba umuntu noma ngabe wafika wayikhotha le mali but service delivery is what is killing the ANC currently and that service delivery ayiqali national that's why you become an activist prior being councillor. An activist is a person who carries bantu enhlitweni yakhe. Service delivery becomes number 1. Na ulala njani endlini nonkhansela wathengile mandi or mhlawumbe unemoto ukuthi ungaya lapha eKarina uyowathenga yabona or uyowaka kunamakhelwane 3 4 5 6 houses abanamali. How do you sleep at night? They don't have plan. Better nothing. How do you sleep at night? Bona because they are not carrying lento bantu enhlitweni.
So ngicela ngiyahlehla mhlambe ngcono Steve what is a councillor first?
People fail to understand a councillor. A councillor must be a servant. A servant a servant of the people. And if you are a servant of the people, it means that utovuka nasebusuku uma bathi bantu vuka because you said to yourself or to them ngiyavuma ngidanithwala mina so kumnyama kubovu ngidaniseva because I am your servant umuntu uthunywa abantu ku council and not to represent himself but he's there to represent the people manje bantu sebayimise reciprocal lento councillor lo nguye lo la ngaphansi lo bekumele ngabe uyisabe into sekuye yena manje uyabo that's why they can easily tell you ukuthi manje lo kakwendeki mara now ngathi asibiyeleni back ku freedom charter i-freedom charter it's the people shall govern and if the freedom charter says the people shall govern it simply means that if the people say we want water and we want it now
you need to make a plan
the plan must be there uyabona so manje bantu bayimise reciprocal I repeat labantu sebala ngaphansi sekushayina councillor la iduna which is wrong so bantu bekufuna bayifunze from lapho ukuthi but this person is no longer a servant to us uyabona sethine singema servants wakhe that's why uva bathi hey lo mtsala kakhulu ngilomtsala kanjani mngane wami ekhaya kini ngeke ekhaya kini ngeke ufike sebabita wena ngoba wena uletha impupho endlini sebathi lo mtsala it makes no sense
I sound very kakhulu ngani vele sebalo bathi konje labantu labo babitha uthini konje sema celebrate
yes
baguqula ama celebrate
yes
yeah. That's the reason ukuthi lo mdzalo
so ngcono bayahamba bayecocula noma baye-actor yabo babe ma-celebrate ngcono lethu kwe-TV
ma-content creator now
once but sibinde libona sithi sakhele ni content ubashute nje obushute yabo
ma-content creator like for real because njengoba usho ukuthi lo muntu akasayi emphakathini sekuyiwa kuye
yeah
akasayi ukuthi thina siya kuye socela i-service kuye avume
yeah
akasethi kuyiletha kutonika futhi ne-feedback ukuthi njani sinifuna sibile kuye sokuthi simanje
in actual fact wena but lento bekufuna as a servant of the people
yeah
bekufuna when they show ukuthi ngenyanga you call the entire community
yes
beyond
yeah
this is what we discussed about
yes.
previously
yes
sesilanye ukuthi baniketa i-feedback
yes
people were going to be content with that
kuyenteka lokho ever since
sashisa nyamazane la kukaze kwenteke lutho mngani wami and to my surprise sashisa nyamazane bantu baba right empilweni those who call themselves councillors currently
yabona ungabala le issue leyo namhla kuba something else ukuthi I always tell people mabakhuluma ukuthi wena why ungama grant ngoba yini lena afaka lo muntu ukhansela ngithi mina vele besingamfire ukuthi mina ngibe grant
yeah
bengifire ukuthi entshintshi kanyamazana but wasitshela very well what the guys mina ngishayile ngaleli game ngala ngidla khona so ukuthi uhamba nami kumbe against mina kukuwe thina sa ngahlehlela mrafa emfu
yakho le
nambele vele ngoba yeah wathi bangiplantele into mina kuboshwa mina nabo konke beningekho nini yeah but the main purpose lebe simfakele yona ngayingekho nazanga isebe
in actual fact people fail to understand still ukuthi yathi previously now ngakhumbula kahle ngiyona the reason why senda nyamazane wemansi yabo besikhala ngabo council and the current councillor lokhuluma ngaye nawe lenge ngimention uma simbita simlanza la beka busy khona some said to us mhlawumbe basibuka bas undermine but lona kungavela abantu be TV media la lo okhuluma ngcono lo
yes
bamlanziswa ngiloko and little did they know ukuthi
isuka kuphi
lento sifunani ngalento that's why at the end of the day if you remember correct bekune veni beyisoloku izula lana ukuthi wayazibani zibani before ma elections yabo wase uyayibamba lo muntu ugijima naye kwanjinja I mean I still remember ukuthi one of the good days ngathi ngixoxa naye wathi kimi lihashi lobuya nalembini awuligcini no lesisho besisho nje kalula ukuthi
lihashi lobuya nalembini
awuligcini uyalibulala lempi le bekukhulunywa ngayo ukuthi mina ngiyathatha le stage ngasibeka konje sibuya ku wosibiye kushisa emnyamazane
simeusha
stand still kume kwasani sacishe safa
besingasengalale emakhaya
but so babuya nathi laba lesesibende bo council babuya nathi empini but that's why sikhuluma silana namuhla I'm sorry to have mentioned this uhlala ekhaya kini nami mfana ukuthi ngihlala ekhaya do I even have one thing that I can show ukuthi out of the struggle angisho ukuthi si promoter lokuthi ma politicians akube nguwo la benefita but what I'm asking you is that uma sikhala besikhala ngokuthi bantu abathole phela tindlu bantu abathole gezi bantu abawathole imali nemsebenzi buke kwendeka yini lo but ngoba mara asingale but bakhona abantu basebenzile nedi labantu abasebenzile ngilaba the proximity were closer to Nyoni therefore
basebenzile kumbe bagenile
no asithi basebenzile lo mara bakehina igcineni
bakhona lebe sinabo lebe besebenza nabo
asibekise the likes of our fellow brothers you know them ukuthi namanje sikhuluma nje there's a massive project down there they are still part of that project and where are you there's even this year but you are doing your own thing that has got nothing to do with what exactly what we were fighting for ngale sasikhathi yabo so So asingeke sikubale lokho njengalento ngesikhathi this is your own initiative.
Yeah, that's true.
Ku benefit abantu labangaka out of 100 people. Ku benefit only 3 abantu out of 100 people. Show me the change that we were fighting for from day one. Ngeke uzongikhomba, never. It will never happen.
Ibe kuye lo uthethele isihlalo
Yeah.
labanye mangcosana labakhona.
Yes.
The rest nothing.
3 4 5
Yeah.
nakhona labanye babo baba silensile ngokuthi babanike tetindlu Samuel abekwakheka khona ma RPPs.
Oh, okay.
Nakhona if you can count them,
Yeah.
they were never there in the struggle. Well, I'm not saying the only people who are supposed to benefit
It's
are the
us.
ones
They started the thing, yeah.
No, yabo, but ngilaba lesithi ne ba pro mundu ngibo lebakhona ku benefit. But what about the person lo bekangekho la kulendo uyasibona sidingo kuye ekhaya kubo bahlala ku RDP by 13?
Yeah.
What do you say to that person?
You know, my politician amaningi ne ayafana onke. Even if Bonga is a politician, that guy was not a politician at all.
He's
at all,
never
at
he's
all.
not a
Understand?
politician as we speak.
But until there was one general police space there,
Yeah.
was sort of fun and
Yeah.
You know what they always say when they see you? Oh, some phone.
Yeah.
You're no longer calling me. Why?
But
You understand?
the
You
truth
must-
is you call them abaphendula.
Ubota phela na ngento yakho lesona ngikubekele they all basebenzisa isystem leyi one.
Yeah.
And if uya kuye lapha uthola nabantu abangaki labaningi lapha.
Yeah.
You don't have a quality time with
Labantu batokutshela even kwabona labane balaka ukuthi angithi nathi sithola silayilayini.
Yes. Yeah.
Utofika nawo.
Batokutshela ukuthi bowukuphi wena khathi sithina sibhizi. Then
Abute wena lo muntu.
can that person the leader
Madoda.
he's the one need to remember those people say ndoda nina nathi lutho nina. I'm here because of
These
these
people,
guys.
yeah.
We're 9 eh?
No, we
9,
were
7.
6.
We're not 7. 6.
We were 6.
Ukile wafika like ningena phela emngane wami noma bathi kanjani ningena uma uhlele toilet uyafika uma sensisi wakho
Yeah.
but one thing I can tell you for real ne
Yeah.
once you see like wende kahle mina like bengisafuna ukuthi wende kahle ukuthi ungasayifundi cancel because one thing for sure ungena lapha holy uphume ungisathana
Yeah. And
lapha bakubulela bathi nje lebuwena bakho
yeah, basuse wena
Yeah.
kusale lo mnye ba install lo mnye
Yes,
la ku.
yes.
Yabo, but mina I will tell you one thing. Leyo ukuthi umuntu akucorrupt it's a personal decision.
Yeah.
Because I mean Nyoni asengibekise nyalo ngithi kuwe Nyoni. Uyabona sishootha ngefone sibeke ama microphones
Yeah.
lana.
Yeah.
Emngani wami kunendlela lelula ukuthi singaba nemali sinjinje le phone kube
Cameras.
ikamera lenkulu.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Ngibude imfo ngoba ngiyayifuna lento wena uyayifuna
Yeah.
ila
Yeah.
sengize mngani wami nyalo mina nawe siya lapha kamasipala sitofika sithi wena wenda emsebenzi lo so do you have a company uthi wena yanginayo
Yeah.
ngithi sidothi wenda emsebenzi lo so ube wena wade enhlitweni nawo kawo
Yeah.
will you say sure asambe sekwena
Eh,
na ulanza buntu nje kahle honestly sithi asesibuye ebuntwini sha
Ema ubuye ebuntwini angawukwenda.
yeah
Yabo.
because that is
Yeah,
corruption
yeah.
so
Bathi, mase nawe so sebakudla ngani bakudla kancane kancane phela those people bakushaya ingcondo kuqala.
yeah
Yeah, bakushaya ingcondo bathatha banjonje lesoli yakho nje ukuthi mangale nawo sengimi lo.
yeah
Yeah. Kumbe
So-
umangale kulabantu abalecina
so basically you are saying that vele kusho ukuthi you are still going to have a problem if ku systems nebantu abafanayo then sho ukuthi asisale sonke lento siyiresearcha sicale phansi kungasabi ne political organization kungasabi ne structure lesibitwa ukuthi mhlawumbe municipality because njoba ngisho mina from where I'm sitting
Yeah.
it is a personal decision ukuthi ngiyavuma abancorrupt abantu
Yeah.
because ubathola abacorrupt mara when you can make
Yeah.
an impact you can change the situation
Yeah.
because ukerisha in I mean if you look at Nelson Mandela himself
Yeah.
he was incarcerated why ngokudefya indebe belungu phela belungu it's not like abazange bamofferisha Mandela ukuthi engonya manje athi sikuphe likhali elingcono let's give you a ncaka let's give you money
Yeah.
yabo what's never I am fighting for these people wena nina nifuna kodla mina ngedwana
Yeah.
what about the poor masses of our people
But yabona inzabelo babelo imbacambili kakhulu because people they don't talk in the mina mangithi ngiyayilandzela kahle abantu abaningi abakhuluma iqiniso straight about that guy.
What exactly
because
they say?
If bakutshela ngalomuntu lo wangena ejele nalo uphuma ejele, two different type of people.
Well, I'm gonna tell you one thing, my
Yeah.
brother. Yakubantu kusibanjani?
Yeah. What's it, man? Yeah.
Enyoni mina ngakubona yabona wona by nature usisidudla.
Yeah.
Yabo. Mara mina if I want to propagate false information about you.
Yeah.
Ngathi hayi phela nyoni ngingamboni chaye kangaka. Kula kabuhlungu.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say this thing to 3 abantu.
Siyambili.
Then iphaphile le nyoni. Senginyoni unjalo. The issue of Mandela, we don't know the truth.
Yeah.
But what I like about no Mandela lophumele ngaphandle nasekabuye ejele Island is the one who brought us this freedom. Excuse.
Even the freedom you're calling limited.
Though limited,
Yeah.
mara nyalo yathi njani awuhambi lelibhasi esikhwameni awulithwali lelibhasi yabo.
Yeah.
So ngalesa sikhathi bebalwela lokho
Yeah.
kusibona abafuna ukuthwala amabhasi abamfuna idobhasi bafuna lokuthi nangabe bafuna kuya kovakasha bakhululeke kungabi nema authorities la emva kwakho
Yeah.
uyabo
Yeah.
and attain lokho. So I celebrate that.
Yeah.
That's the freedom lebe bakhalela yona ngaleso sikhathi.
Yes.
We need to change manje. That's why Marcus Garvey uthi emancipate yourself from mental slavery.
Yeah.
He understood ukuthi yathi bantu even if ungathi senikhululekile le ngqondo if it's still enslaved then we are going to have a problem. Now let's contrast the two. Uyabo?
Yeah.
We are free. Uyabo? That's why ngiyakuthanda check mina.
Yeah.
Animal farm, lelibhuku animal farm.
Yeah.
Ekutshela into lebalulekile ithi kuna letilwane letibaluleke kundlula letinye. Uyabo?
Yeah.
So basically nyalo la sikhona khona. Yes we have attained a freedom.
Yeah.
Lesuka khona emuva lesikhathi abo Nelson Mandela.
Yeah.
Sesilanya. Sekunaletilwane letitiva ngazi ukuthi atidona tinjani. Ti better kundlula letinye tilwane. That's why tisesimeni sokhwapilizo nakangena eofficeini ungenela ukuthi sako George. Nyalo enricha manje. Ufuna ene nathi sindle lemnyama.
Yeah.
Uva umuntu athi phakama ebenyoni ixesha lifikile.
Ixesha lokutshontsha.
Ixesha lokutshontsha. Kusho ukuthi ixesha lokutshontsha lifikile. Bathi hayi isikhathi sakhe.
Utshontsha.
Yeah, isikhathi sakhe sokuthi atshontshe.
Yeah.
Does it make sense? It doesn't.
Yeah.
So yeah, we there, my brother.
Yeah. Mina I think mina if I was having the power ne.
Yes.
Mina bengithi even like sikhuluma nyalo ngani la local.
Yeah.
Uthi ukunika inyanga.
Yeah.
Ngabe ufuna balicancel
Yeah.
bantu bakuthanza nanani usipromisa ini wena.
Yeah.
Because bowuhleli lapha la uhleli khona uchamuka nayo idea ukuthi mina ngifuna ngitshintsha le nto leli.
Yes.
Ngizokunika iminyaka mina.
Yes.
Sicela siprove ukuthi ungantshintsha le nto leli. You understand?
Yeah.
If uhlulekile lokho next year sakukhipha sifaka umuntu.
We're having a problem.
Yeah.
We're having a problem
Yeah.
as commuters.
Yeah.
The problem lesinayo we're being governed by bantu laba corrupt. And abantu laba corrupt wena bhuti. Ba corrupt yena labanye labafana nami nawe.
Yeah.
To an extent ukuthi if uthi but will consider le wrong le. Uyabo? Over uyahlanya we're going to rally behind this man.
Yeah, that's
Why?
true.
Simply because
ugaina something lapha kube ubuke something lafuna uyigaina. That's the
Yes.
reason. Yabona umuntu onjalo uyingodi vele.
Kabuhlungu.
Umuntu onjalo uyingodi because njengoba usho ukuthi ungathi folk wena bani wena nanani
Yeah.
bangamlwisa labaningi because
Yeah.
ba benefit lapha.
Yeah.
But wena ngenxa of benefit and awufisi no benefit alutho. I-agenda yakho yayakho.
Yeah.
Awuna fear ukuthi
Ukhulume.
You understand? But
Yeah.
a person lokile wathatha imali
Yeah.
uyasaba ukhuluma nento leyo.
Bathi he who feeds you controls you. So the minute udla imali yemuntu
Yeah.
lapho wena uyelapha utshele ukuthi ufuna kuyakukhala ubanjwe indlala takho.
Yes.
Uyabo?
Yeah.
Forgetting ukuthi uma ngabe inyoni bekangekho bengito wenda njani mina ngikhona ekuphila.
Yes.
Uyabo?
Yeah.
Uye lapha kuMichael yebo eyimani lana cancela manje ngilambile. Ngeke unike imali namuhla. ubuye kusasa uthi manje ayisimo simandondolwane
Yeah.
lo muntu uqalile njalo uyakucontrola ku
imali.
uyabona
And
ngazi
ayikuthi kimi
yeah
mangisola busy ngide lapha kude into lengayifundekile.
yeah injalo because at the end of the day uyathi lo muntu njani lo muntu usayobuya la kwathi
favor kufuna
comrade yakhumbula ukuthi usokubita nga comrade akasakubiti nganyoni comrade yakhumbula ukuthi bonakele yabo comrade yakhumbula mosi sesifike lesikhathi sokuthi sivotelane lo mnyaka lo 5 ngiyawufuna uyathi nawo mosi aziyo mina sengithembe wena yeah mina sengithembe wena utobona akonakele so uqalile uyakucontrola lo muntu wena asithini so usubstitutekile sekuoperator lo muntu la ku so kwendisa into leto yokuhluka ubeda 5 years old la kule 5 years la buya kuyo nede wena bekakuphe mhlambe 350 nini wakupha iKFC nini nakubitile kune event kuphi wakuphi iKFC because lesika sema KFC ngilethi lesibulala nesivele uyabo akunike comrade stobona man baba so na 100 rand man tobona na ukuthi wena ina ufike endlini then you think ukuthi lo muntu lo uyakuthatha lo muntu uyakuthatha sisho sesilumbi yona sithi no sesindi mos basi ngifundzise ungangifundzisi kudla ifishi ngifundzise kuyidoba so that I can sustain impilo even if when you are long gone
manje iANC so kusho ukuthi ANC onke lama politician abakufundisa kuyidoba bafundisa kuyidla seyiphumile lapha seyiphekiwe nabo bonke
ngile art of war
because bafuna every time kufanele njani uncela. I was asking some other guy 2 weeks back ayepinari namnani usebenza kasasa nani basi bane meeting ngathi mina guys can why kahle business name 350 every month why ninga create mathuba emsebenzi ngalo 350 how many millions every month aphuma kusasa nani bapha abantu bona
wena ukhulela abathi ngala emva kwerekhulu kusemafemini
hamba check lapha mafemini bayingakho ma South African lapha nya ayindaba ma South Africa bathi wa renovate amafemini wabone
ngiyabona is it still on
ungahleka
udlala ngesizo mina ngikhulele egodini
mafastela aphukile ne mara bapenda mara fastela iphukile
upenda yena bona so yabona ukuthi kudlalwa ngesive ayisi issue of renovator lama fame yathi isimo sohwapilizo uyabo so we need somebody lotothi mine ngithwele imandate of the people enhlutweni and if the people are saying we are hungry China please create something for us uyabachecka call them la ukuthi guys ngibani lone skill sana nje ngiyayiva le issue yabona mina unfortunately I'm against then they are much and much uyabo why ngisho njalo I'm saying that because take for instance le dance konje ngibani lomfana lo dance lo penda imoto kahle ngibani
ngina
socha asibeke socha ngabomu sengithi mngani wami la ngithi C5 noma sihlale nje sibe 100 ngithi
ufuna jido
sengithi mina ngitsheleni guys la
ngibani wala South Africa lemfaki
lo ngapha no before you even get there uthi guys ngibani la kimi lo ne skill sokwenda imoto ngale ndlela they will tell you no we don't have that skill why because the system mina nawe yasifundzisa ukuthi sifundzela kuba bodokotela unfortunately siyadokotela nje basihleli la
ngizabodokotela ufundzela kusebenza le company emlungu
yes
hayi ukuthi uqala yakho
uqala njalo yabo so mara much as I'm against that yabo partially ngiyisupportiswa yini whether you know I was a member of the EFF previously
you know I'm a member of the EFF now
ngiyalongelene but I said to myself I'll shift kancane ku politics
okay
because young compromiser mine wena the first time you met me ngathi ngi sound engineer ngi producer ngi artist so young compromiser for about 13 years wonke yabona
kodwa wabeka tonke into yakho eceleni onyaka lo
nganaki politics why because ngiyabathanza abantu yabo so partially ngiyayisupport njengoba bengisathi I was a member of the EFF the EFF was saying that let's have these people but they must be documented so that nangabe benda they commit crime somewhere we will trace them easily uyabo sibabamba Mara South Africa, history of South Africa.
Yeah.
South Africa has been using these foreign nationals for scarcely
Yeah,
seated life.
for a long time.
Way before umuntu lomnyama angena ku-power,
Yes.
bekunema-mines mos they were very functional.
Yeah, ngani abantu abamnyama sibe ba-refuse ukusebenzela khona ama-mine.
Laba abangena.
Yeah,
Yabo.
yeah.
Seyaqhamuka le gang yokuhamba iyakosebenza emayini iyakhamnotho for South Africa,
Yes.
and at the end of the day bona batholele okuncane.
Yeah.
But they were documented.
Yes.
But after the Black Nation took over government,
Yes.
kwasale kwaba
Take
ibuwelewele angisathi ngathini ebhuti yabo ukuthi wonke umuntu, there was a massive influx
Everyone
of
is
foreign
welcome.
national lakithi.
But it never tells you ukuthi kahle ukuthi we are not ready to govern.
When you can say that, but we were ready.
But ever since Sinus gained the power, what have you changed, my brother?
Thina indlu emnyama sitshintshe kakhulu ngakho.
Nje.
Yathi sitshintshe ukuthi abantu abasale sebafunza ukutshontsha okushiya. Sifunze lokho.
Yeah.
What else did you learn from that?
Nothing.
From the freedom that
Yeah.
we attained.
Yeah.
What else did you learn?
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. So the only thing that we know sifunzile kunokuthi sobona this elite group,
Yeah.
especially abantu sibuya eLusaka thine, sibuya kuphi.
Division.
Yeah, yabona, you understand ukuthi abantu they feel as if we owe them a lot ukuthi bona bebaseLusaka. Kanzi lesikhathi bahambile bona bayeLusaka ngala bekushalishe yabo. Nababuye bafuna thina celebrate bona ukuthi bona bebaseLusaka. Yabo. Thina bese exile thina. Yabo. And nababuye bafika bonke impilo tabo they flourish. I mean, they owning my farms, they driving big engines. Thina lebe sestradini.
Abasas recognize.
Poverty galore.
Yeah, abasas recognize.
Who are you?
Labantu yesikhathi ugcine uzi babulala nembeze kusangabe nenzaba nemuntu.
Yeah.
That's what the system does. I was telling someone who needs me angikaze ngivote angiyoke ngivote.
Yo.
Angikaze ngivote angiyoke ngivote because if vote was really powerful, the system le run South Africa bengeke ivumele ukuthi abantu bavote.
You know, I'll tell you one thing.
Yeah.
South Africa sendeliphutha leli1.
Yeah.
Afuthi ayileli1 mara athi kubale 2 ngabona.
Yeah.
The first mistake lesiyendile kuvulela wonke umuntu ukuthi angaba ne-political party.
Yeah.
The second mistake lesiyendile as South Africans uniketa umuntu malungelo lamanene. The third mistake lesiyendile was to adopt a document, a constitution that we do not own. That constitution, we understand. Belungu na but we need to understand there's a right wing and there's a left wing. The right wing are the ones lebabambe economy of country as we speak.
Yeah.
Le noma ngabe ulwakwani, for as long as you don't touch the economy, the issue of land, bona but they don't have a problem. We understand.
Yeah.
What they do much. Nabeva njengami nawe siyakhuluma lapha eFestival ngathi budget. They will approach you tomorrow. But see enyoni uthi yebo but see funani.
Abakuthi ufunani into ecaba ukuthi ufunani. Uzona ngifuna umhlaba bathe baba.
Asume kancane.
Uthi yathi sibantu bafuna umhlaba bathe baba ngithi
wena ufuna
specific we-one.
Then at the end of the day akubende nenyoni. Bathathe 10 million. Bathambe uyovula i political party.
Yeah.
Siyabona ukuthi abantu baningi lebantu okulandzela. Don't worry about t-shirts and everything. Wena kwakho hambe wenda political party.
Yeah.
Bukhuluma the right wing.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
And their main objective is not to build you as such, but is to divide lama votes are the left wing. And at the end of the day, the left wing suffers a lot because instead of voting for one political party, nami ngiyothi hey sekune party ngala njengoba sekune SDP yapolisa njengoba sekune SDP wona but la kithi yabo sikijima na nomtsala yabo baphumile abantu ku ANC baphumile bantu whatsoever party they were following. Yabo. And that destroys the left wing. So i-constitution yethu islimate ngokuthi ayizange yanakekela the poor masses of you cannot ever go to America and say for me party kusasa ekuseni no bathi two amaphathi lapha. It's either this one or this one.
South Africa ifuna
abenjalo nala. I'm telling you,
ngabesikhathi
the country was going to move forward.
What do you say about March and March?
Come again?
What do you say about March and March?
March and March.
Yeah.
To me, that is nonsense.
Why?
That is popularism.
Yeah.
Because if ucheka, take for instance, I'm afraid that I'm going to mention Kamala Julius Malema.
Yeah.
Malema said, warned us, hey, these people are coming for us. What transpired 3 weeks ago? They killed a young man, a South African young man. Waselimpopo. Why? Simply because ukhuluma sishanga. Abamuva bona bamazulu. Yeah, keep amando kakho wena keep ama documents akho. Hey madoda, angina document ngwala eSouth Africa mina. Mshawaze wafa.
Oyikani imagine machine ndele.
Yes. So one of the good days I was watching a TV.
Yeah.
Somebody asked a lady from Zimbabwe. Once I say up my documents are correct.
Yeah.
Then this lady said, I have them now.
So
What's next? We are violent. So you tend to ask yourself, what is their mission? Secondly, I'm telling you now like that. There's an upper hand in March and March that stands to benefit everything.
Yeah.
But they are using a black child to destroy a black child.
Yeah.
So it's black on black violence.
And main.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I don't support it due to that reason.
Yeah.
Mina when you now I travel.
Yeah.
One of the good days I was in Tebe.
Yeah.
You know, Zulu speaking people. Bayathelelana bangaxaleka. Masixoxa laphana like mina uyaxoxa nje kahle ngithi ngikhuluma Swati phela mina even if nginemazulu. I can never change who I am to accommodate you. Ngoyesanibonane yayi siyaphila nathi mane inkosi yami. You know, one of the ladies there said, "Fani nomuntu ukhuluma kamnandi kanjani? Yo, kodwa ukhuluma ngathi ingane." And I was like, what the heck?
Yeah.
What the heck? So in March and March.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, see, check in March and March.
Yeah.
Who's this? Ngizwe Mchunu.
Ngizwe nabantu kambe?
Phakela Umthakathi.
Yeah.
Now lalela Ngizwe Mchunu. Ngizwe Mchunu uthi I am the president of the Bhinqa nation. How does it accommodate you as a Swati speaking person? Are you Bhinqa?
Yeah.
So lokhu kufuna ukutshele ukuthi kufana nale issue ye MKP previously. I warned people about that.
Yeah.
That's mina lento le ile mazulu le niyaphapha nje.
Inde mazulu into yasenkandla.
Yes. Yeah. Now people are saying that the Zulus themselves, your Ngizwe, says I'm the president of the Bhinqa nation. Yabo. Labantu laba sithi mabahambe. I'm the president of iBhinqa nation. iBhinqa nation iMarch and March.
Yeah. Movement, yeah.
Movement, yeah. Mina nawe isifaka njalo. That's why they are able to kill you. Because when now see you are not a Zulu and you are not a member of the Bhinqa nation.
Yeah.
Are we not giving Zulu a power on a silver platter?
We already did.
We did that.
But if ulalela basin Ngizwe na
Phakela Umthakathi.
abakhuluma into efanayo.
But Mazulu.
Yeah, but ngisho ukuthi ngikhulumela ukuthi la kule ndo yabo le ndawo. Abakhuluma into efanayo.
Yes.
Yabona Phakela Umthakathi straight. U-neutral futhi. Lona vele of remember vele yasho ukuthi le ndo sendela amabhinqa straight.
Yeah, but I'll tell you one thing, guy. You know ukuthi umuntu lohlakaniphe cobo lohlakaniphe to the core. Emhlabeni. Uthi uma sebakubambe ngala kuleli khona ujike ngaleli khona. ngizwe bambona ukuthi esangizwe ngathi uletha lento ngebuso lobrona
Yeah.
bathi asijikeni
Yeah,
phakela umthakathi
yeah,
khuluma
yeah, yeah.
mara if I can tell you
Yeah.
who's advocating for
Phakela umthakathi.
kuhamba kwema foreign nationals
Ubani Mzimba, ubani?
the ethnic group ngiphi Zulu
Yeah, Zulu.
and ngizwe and phakela umthakathi we one thing
Yeah, the one thing. But there was by divided. If my buka ngani.
they are divided because this one limi lakhe alicontroleki ngizwe uyabo na angazeme ebantwini kufanele ngisimile yalo ngime la ngizimile wena lama microphone akho lawa uwathenge ngemali ema drugs you will never like me
Yeah.
so lokuthi uthuka bo Julius Malema uthuka bo president and stuff like that ba yathi bo lamazulu ayibuke njani ayibo ngathi uyasicompromise
Yeah, it's a friend.
phakela umthakathi thatha le but I'll tell you lento ine MKP ekhathi
Angihla.
and uma ine MKP ekhathi indi emazulu that's why uva bathi phakama Zulu mina nawe siphakama Zulu njani ngoba simazulu yami so if
Mazulu wa compromise.
Mazulu wa compromise if Mazulu bekathi wona South Africans it is time la kumele shaye stand still khona bangathi phakama Zulu uyabo sho ukuthi thina sibaniketa lento siphakamisa bona Zulu phakama angifuni mina lefana leyo.
Can I ask you, my brother?
Please.
We siblings, ne?
Yes.
We have now younger sister.
Yeah.
Sina mage na baba pekaya. Mage housewife.
Yeah.
Babu sebenza whatsoever, sebenza kuna party. Ngiyaphetha nyana.
Yeah.
And lesinye isikhathi bayasho hayi le nyanga lesito emall yabo.
Yeah.
Sikibe semall bese sibe happy. Yena basito emall ufeyile yabo le mbele. Nangi mage na baba ngena babu yesontweni.
Yeah.
Babuye na 2 bantwana. Baba lesala khaya batokhala la khaya. Abasitsheli lutho thina. Simangala sine simkambe sibayahamba tohamba yabo. Awuliviki iviki masilwa about the issue because even la ekhaya sinokusitaka ngisho lesinye isikhathi ukuthi singwa accommodate iviki lonke kumbe njani. You understand me? Because nalento into yasemamall nani yabo mhlawumbe ngena ifeyili yabo lomunye into kuyabhetha. Mara ba accommodate abanye abantu abayithula endlini. Bethe lokhala la endlini. Silwa nabani masikhala ngale issue yakhe. Silwa nalabantwana kumbe sina nama parents wethu.
Actually to my parents.
Mnende befuna besayenda nathi as South African. We mustn't fight those people. We must fight the system because the constitution iyabavumela labantu.
Thank you very much, my brother. You have said it mouthful. Sinenyalo sesihlasela lo mntwana.
Lo ngatelanga la South Africa.
Yeah,
ngatelanga la endlini ekhaya.
Mina yathi ngihlala ngibekisa njani? Ngihlala ngibekisa so le nto ngithi the reason why abantu basuka la ina sport baye Jones.
Yeah.
They are looking for greener pastures.
Yeah.
I problem lese Zimbabwe. I problem lela South Africa.
Yes.
But the problem lela South Africa is better than the problem
Yes,
lese
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Why? I-Africa yonke uma ibuka i-South Africa ithi i-powerhouse because irandi lethu lisimeme kahle even if bathi $0 abantu bathi $0 yabo it is nothing compared to Iran. eZimbabwe na ufuna uthenga sekwafuna hambe nemali emaphepha lengaka la eSouth Africa hamba na R20 boyiwa so nabasuka le bafuna ama-greener pastures kuphi eSouth Africa uyabo. Then
in South Africa ivulekani.
In South Africa ivulekani. I-document yala i-constitution yala kithi ithi i-South Africa
all belong to them. But who live in South Africa belongs to South Africa.
Yes, the constitution it's the land belongs to everybody who works it la.
But usebenza la kumbe uhlala la?
No, even if angithi usebenza uhlala la ngoba usebenza la phela. Noma usebenza la ngoba uhlala la.
Yeah.
So they saying South Africa belongs to everyone. Yabo who's working the land, including the foreign nationals.
Yes.
Then I'll tell you one thing.
Yeah.
That's why uva lama countries akutshela ukuthi they were part of kuliberatewa kwemuntu omnyama la. Why? Prior 1994.
Yeah.
They used the Shangaan people, used the foreign nationals, vote to maximize the number, yani, yema votes.
Yeah.
Then after siwile phela le freedom
Yeah.
yabo
Yeah.
sesiyitholile phela le freedom kuyangena Mandela e-ofisini then
Yeah.
bese sithi
Abahambe.
abantu
Yeah.
what exactly are we saying to these people
Sabathula, insult.
shows it in this we are using them as
Puppets of us.
puppets
Yeah.
kithi
Yeah.
for what good reason
For us to benefit what we want for that moment.
yeah then bese kathi njani now i-check-a nyalo
Mm.
lento le GNU now i-check-a kahle
Yeah.
it happened in Australia
Yeah.
la ba formulate khona i-GNU
Yeah.
and ultimately the party leli echamuka ilaphazi njengayo i-DA manje
Yeah.
yathatha government we are ushering a white man
Yeah.
kuphi e-ofisini ukuthi akasale sekaphatha abantu abamnyama
Yeah.
and uyabona whosoever is leading lo lethu bombalula
Yeah.
they did that ngabomu
Mm.
batshintsha lento ukuthi akungene nemlungu mina ngeke ngize ngithuke kusasa nabangathi president Cyril Ramaphosa will vie sebathi wena sibanibanyana from DA ngena la utoba president phela not so long ago people were saying Groenewald for president Groenewald Peter Groenewald ababuka labantu ukuthi siyaphi Peter Groenewald bekakhona ku-administration ye-apartheid today we are saying Groenewald for presidency what does that tell you
aren't you thinking yena Cyril vele imandate yakhe bamlethele ukuthi vele ayithathe mina ayibikisele lo
phela Cyril we must understand ukuthi Cyril ukhuliswa belungu
yeah he's black inside
he's white inside
so, yeah,
but black
outside,
skin
yeah.
uyabona so le project ebelungu kanwami that's why nabalala yalo bathi Sandeliphutha safaka Cyril he's a failed project why is a failed project why do you say that
Yeah.
can you call a person a human being
Yeah.
a project
Yeah.
we understand
No,
they are shortly saying to you hey sa investor emntwini loro
yeah.
la
Yeah.
why aseyalo ngikulanze ngabomu isibili take for instance la election we had so many people that we respected during Zuma's tenure as president
Yeah.
bebanemali abantu abamnyama baphila kahle e-university bonganyala ukuthi ungena ngaphandle lo construction bafike bakucashe manje usebenze noma usaphe manje bakunikede yilo yabona usebenze
Yeah.
ube nemali yakho right after Cyril took over do we still have people black people lesibabita ukuthi ngema-millionaires la election ufike wavala kwasani mina I know I've got a friend
Yeah.
lo vale ishop yakhe emoyeni mall let la kungena Cyril wavala kwasani
Yeah.
then bese uyangitshela ukuthi does this person care for us
No.
he doesn't that's why ke babelungu bathi kahle kahle kusho ukuthi bayakutshela belungu ukuthi yathi lo muntu lo besimphele isikhathi lesingaka kuze ukuthi sikhone kufika lathi
Yeah.
uyabo so ngenxa yokuthi naye yathi bambambe kuphi mo secretary general bambambe nabo nge-remote yabona
Yeah.
basamendisa lo lebo bafuna enteko that's why bafuna ne-president bombalula bahlanye enhloko
Yeah.
uyabo basambambile then belungu bathi no is a failed project because yebo bamanyile labantu but labantu ngathi bamniketa ipressure lenkulu ukuthi lokubona bakufuna umhlaba bawo there was a time la bekathi Cyril khona yeah no the land must be returned back to its rightful owners it was before i second term yakhe
afuna it vote
afuna net lama vote after that is he singing the same song no wathi Cyril hey mina ngidofika ngimtshele ku Trump ukuthi mhlaba ubuyele ebantwini nemnotho njani wafika bambitile White House did he say that no why so these are the things that kumele uthi check nangabe if you are a politician
yeah
these are the things that kumele uthi check so lo councillor lo usithwele lo ngekhathi enhlipeni or not
yeah
lo president lo usithwele lo premier lo usithwele I love Mandla Ndlovu
you love Mandla ne
I love Mandla Ndlovu. That guy has got a very good heart
ne
Mandla Ndlovu bruh he has got a very I love Jackie Match
so why yini ukuthanza so fast ukuthola ngene Mandla Ndlovu
Mandla Ndlovu
kusa ulethe ima ICU la bafowethu
yeah
oh
if you are corrupt, Chan, you must be incarcerated.
Yeah.
Because you are failing the poor masses of our people
Yeah.
in the name of benefiting yourself and your family.
Yeah.
Then you must be incarcerated for that.
Yeah. So yena kangcoli.
We will never say that. Why? It's mean we will never say that.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Because as a human being,
Good routine.
no good in the team. Mina nawe nyalo nasingathi asicoce nje into leliqiniso
Yeah.
lithi uthi wena uJoji
Yeah.
uthi wena awuJoji yabo
Yeah.
uthi wena uJoji
Yeah.
ngithi mina ya umuntu ushoke
Yeah.
ya uthi wena ukwazi uJoji ashuke ekhaya kimi usangile ngawuJoji awukazi wafika efridge wathola i-cold drink longayadi wayivula wayinathi
Yena ifana nokushaya umuntu ngenkaza ngenkani.
Yeah.
Uthi awukazi uyena unemanga.
unemanga uyawusukunemanga uyawusukunemanga
Yeah, esiwashayile ngenkaza ngenkani. Irape la.
bakutshele ukuthi I'm not ready uconvince umuntu
Mshaya ngenkani.
uzumshaya.
Mshaya ngenkani.
kumabhandi lo
Yeah, ibhandi, yeah.
so sonke sinedate
Sinedi izindola kwethu akufana.
but I have got my own personal reasons why ngithanda amandla.
Yeah. What are your personal reasons?
Every December I've come to realize that Mandla, you know what he does.
Yeah.
He shares and umathi ngiyababita abantu ababuye ehholo
Yeah.
noma ababuye stadium noma phakudla kweChristmas.
Yeah.
Ngathi Mandla akakhulumi nge2 kg yempuphu
Yeah.
nemshintsha yanyana longaka ukuthi ngidodlakane lo langa. Mandla will give you food that will last you 3 months.
Yeah.
That's what I love about because you know what mina ngithanda abantu uma ngibona abantu bahlalisekile kahle grand Jackie Masin does the same thing.
Yeah.
Umanbit that's beyond that. And we will never say there's a shortage of umsebenzi in South Africa.
Yeah.
Your question was to go there.
Oh, yeah.
There's a massive shortage of umsebenzi in South Africa.
Yeah. Because of who? Because of Bona.
Yeah, because of
Yeah,
Bona.
yeah.
Yeah, Bona.
Yeah.
Ba understand ukuthi much as isifuna ukuvula lamathuba emsebenzi bantu bahleli mngani wami bantu yeah nami ngiyafaka yabo sihleli uyabo and manje ukuthi ngathi kuwe emchana let me take you and place you somewhere, give me your CV, I want to place you somewhere, i-proximity leyo. But if ngenda into le open asibiyeleni back to the system besithi sifaka ama-ID eboxini siyafuneka abantu labang-10 siyadrayisa lelo phuma kuqala number 1 lelo njalo yabo. So akusekho lokho akusendeki. Why? Because akunamsebenzi yabo. But I like the fact that uyabacabanga abantu ukuthi esalabantu balambile abanikede kudla lento balasta 3 months. I should think ukuthi Mandla Ndlovu, if he were to be given a third term, noma bojeki babanede a third term, yabo, I'm telling you there's something namanje as we speak asibuke ama-general worker lapha edrobheni akhona amanene. Well into leqhamuka letulu ukuthi asicreate amathuba emsebenzi.
Afunyana ukuthi sibavotele.
No, it was there le
permanent.
Yeah, ama-general worker permanent. Yabo.
Cha ngitshela ngaloko yenisingo nje lokubakutshela
EPWP.
Yes, CWP.
EPWP. That one angithi ihamba ngesikhathi ya 6 months but bayawa renew ama contracts.
Why bangabi permanent? Okay, continue.
But dokutshela ukuthi abana budget ayikho budget.
Mara ngiyonje khona.
But yeah, leyo kutshonje. Leyo uhlala ikhona bana ama officials they controlling the system. Yo kutshonje ayikhona. But I like the fact that now buka the way ya operator ngakhona nomlomzana bantu abandala. Now buka the way boyithula bo chairperson we region check yabanaka abantu uJackie ngeke ufike ukhale mngani wami sokuthi Jacks athi sure uthi la nginesimo leso si agent ngicela ungitabule manje ngeke ahlala ngakudabula never. It will be a massive mistake. Uma wena ungaya kuJackie ubuye ungitshele ukuthi mina eJackie akangisithi uyathi mina ngendaba ngingatshela wena ukuthi awukayi kuJackie kusho bakukhombele omunye Jackie. If ungenda i-appointment naMandla Ndlovu Mandla ngikhala nginesimo leso ngicela i-assistance yakho chairman. Mandla will help you there and there. Uyabo akafani nalabo councilor bethu la ekhaya ukuthi kune project ulanzwa inyoni ngoba inyoni ehlala ngijima naye la iceleni lo munye bambambise isitokisi bambala wena you are our next councilor nakufika lesikhathi bathi lokho stock sweet.
You know, some other time.
Hey, yeah,
Some
what
other
happened to
time I don't
that?
remember. I mean, I had very, I'm quite like, I had very something like oh, ngesikhathi
Eholeni.
la stadium kathi babita nabo what do you call this guy? Bani manje lo paperback ulwethu.
Bhekicele.
Yeah, bhekicele ngikhathi khumbula kathi de maphoyisa nana ukuthi bani bamadodza angeke njani khipha bafight nana.
Yeah.
Afike likhansela la ngithi ha wena ukhuluma ngathi ma social media bla 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 bla. You understand? Yeah. Uyabathi bosibani ungaya ngoba misa.
Kusho kanjani lapho?
Uyangiva ukuthi ngitsini? Kufanele ukuthi uyabathi bosizwe labo sibhentsha ukuthi angeke waqala phela lento vele le project mayikhona yabo. Ayina ukuthi angekuqala balo lama-Vatercan abosibani uyababala phela babala ngani ne big 5 ngala likazi.
Ikhona. We know about that.
Ne big 5 babala ne big 5 athi mina ngiyenda njani? Ngathi mina uze ukhulume lo mlosi nawo bakunika something ngani. If ngabe wanginika something but you will take this to the street ngani.
Yeah.
Because asimise ngento le. But because they giving you something. Nyalo uthi wena nyalo uthi tswe kithi ngani wena uyabenefit.
Ngeke vele. Angeke siwine mngani wami. Bani ngilesimo sokhwaphiliso.
Yes.
That's why bathi
Mina ngale big 5 nyalo yodwa iya.
Yeah. That's why people that labantu kanjani bathi phela sibani uneplaza.
Uma usinjani uthole njani?
Lapho uma bebangathi lifestyle audit bathona umkhansela phela uzohola malini.
Yeah.
Okay, cha ngihola 35,000.
So how come you can wena your lifestyle beso?
Impilo yakhe nje lokho kusicebo uhlakaniphe vele kudlala nomphakathi.
Bese ngoyilwela imali. Wakhe imali lekhala.
Yeah, kusho yena uyadendela imali. Uyabo?
Yeah.
So these are thingsekufanele ngabe abantu bathi kuzuma kancane. Uyabo ushaye nga 158 megapixel uyizoom ulethe la uyibuke kahle ukuthi hayi man la compare iphendule.
You know us as people we don't fight the system. We want to be part of the system.
That's the thing.
That's
Because
the problem.
that's how we were taught.
Man campaigner.
Yeah.
Campaigner ngawo ukuthi wena unike abantu ma-RDP.
Yeah.
Uthengisa imihlaba amakhansela amaningi athengisa imihlaba.
Kakhulu.
Banema foreigner imihlaba.
Yeah.
Like bazi babaningi naphasi kwetsambo
Intsaba.
tegezi.
Yeah.
Intsabeni nani you understand no?
Yeah.
Ngikhampena ngale nto leyo. And then mase yayibona vele ukuthi that's true.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Bahamba nami.
Yeah.
Manje semile system ngiyabajikela.
Actually,
Mina I want to be part of the system, not against the system. That's
Yeah.
the problem of us.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Mina a leader, ngifuna bangikhethe mina ngihlele ekhaya.
Yeah.
But I know we see something in you. You understand?
A leader.
In order ukuthi kusasa mangithi mina la ngifake khona. Angivisisi lento leya and mangithi ngiya oppose bathi mina ngingena ngiphume vele sometime.
Yeah.
Because ngibikile ni. But mina mangifakile lapha I know very well ukuthi lapha phakathi lapha ne corruption. And I need to be part of the
Lapha
corruption.
kuthi kunashukela kukhansela ukuthi kunashukela yathi khona ufuna ibuke ngani.
Yeah.
Umuntu namuhla uyalwa ukuthi uyela kuba ngikhansela yabo.
Yeah.
Kusasa siyatoyitoya lekhala lakhe. Kanjani yabona?
Yeah.
Then the next thing khansela yabuya utotshela thina la emphakathini. Mina ngisanasikhathi, angisalali, njani. So uthi ngabo yabo
Yeah.
uthi khansela bukela ngoba kahle wona usalali. Sho usowude ngisho ngesikhathi abantu bakho nomfati wakho. Besicela ukuphumula.
Yeah. Befuna vele bayathikazela befuna guys ngicela nje mntu ofuna take over mina ngisakhona.
Yeah, uyabona.
Mina I want a leader like that one.
Mara yabona ngifuna ukutshela mngani wami ukuze usibone sinashukele lapha. Ungathi no besicela ukuphumula man uhlale kancane ekhaya ube nesikhathi move out uthi ngabantu akufiwe na hawu ja.
Ngeke yabona ukuthi endo sabayenda njani nyana.
Yeah.
This councillors age nyana. Afuna kufaka abantu babo because bona babona singathi angeke basangena. Bafuna kufaka umuntu wakhe in order ukuthi ngale project solo le busy. Efuna push'a yona.
Ufuna kuyodla.
Ufuna solo aqhubeke adle. Because if bangafaka umuntu oppozana naye angeke kulunge vele. Ukuthi makhampani akhe nalabantu bakhe baphuma. Ngena labanye abantu. So that's the reason nyalo bathatha yonke imali bayintshontshile.
Yeah.
Bayinika abantu, bathathwa abantu bahlale netinhloko la.
Right nje lokho.
It's the system of the ANC. It's ANC enjalo. Kuthi mawufuna ukungivotela buye ngidongiyama futhi parcel. Baya abantu le.
But it's not the system of the ANC.
Iqhamuka ne-ANC le nto.
No, I'll tell you. Let me correct that.
Okay.
It's not the system of the ANC.
Yeah.
It is the system of the corrupt leaders of the ANC.
Oh yeah. mara ngani sesisho njalo ukuthi i-system ye-ANC because you part of the ANC. So inkinga yethu sesifaka lonke ebhandleni. If mina ngimntwana emfundisi ngibhetha lapha ekhaya bathi bantwana befundisi babhetha abathi umntwana emfundisi
lomntwana lo
yeah bathi bantwana balapha kanyoni bantwana bemfundisi bayabhetha inzaba sengekuningi leti bhetha abasayo ukuthi umntwana beyi-1 sibonga la but if manihlala phasi nalo muntu straight umuntu akahle straight uthi kahle kahle uthi hayi inkosana lo bhethayo but la ngaphandle ngithini
bantwana baka yabona well but njengoba sesiclarifyile ukuthi ma individuals who are within the ANC,
that's true.
Not the entire ANC.
Yabo. Inkinga vele useyibhoqeka yonke.
Seyibhoqeka bathi zifa ngambwinye, yabo. That's why nasixoxe ecaleni, mina sisuka khona ngethemini kuwe. Ngcono muse sisale expressa format la kubathini. iPC nangabe ufuna ukukhipha yonke into le ubona ngathi seyi-affect
ama-virus. Ungabhizi ukhetha.
Ungakhethi. Mina I've advised them number and I've been advocating for that to say now lale uke walalela badanile Dlamini. Do you still remember that lady where she was a parliamentarian?
Okay.
She once said, "La amongst us, get I parliament with Zagiwe. There are so many skeletons in the land. Understand?" And I was like, "Okay, sure." Then Zuma came in. Wathi Zuma hayi ndokhuluma of late nje busho Cyril uthi mina you fire me ngiyokhuluma mina uyabo
kani yini ngaka my brother wena mawucabanga ukuthi yini basaba kuyikhuluma
no it's very simple you know this thing it must tell you ukuthi wena ufuna ukuqosha mina ngokuthi uve story sami sasephala phala
wena ke
manje wena ngoba uyatshontsha lapha ke nawo wena sibantu bayani uyatshontsha lapha na ngiko le bafuna ukukhuluma kude lokunye you can't tell us anything or something new ukuthi manje country siyithengisile then sekufuna sidile nani yena kunjalo uyabo nyalo bathi uqosha mina emarweni ukhohliwe ukuthi nawe ngine kwakho le ngikubambile so ngiyakukhuluma yona ngikubambile so that yathi lo mnenene uyakublackmail so that when you connect support I nonsense
ukubambe ngaphasi
uyakubamba straight balls ngicinga but iqiniso leli lithi musu ngabe basala bakhuluma bonke uyathi
mina ngicela lokho vele ukuthi kungabhizi sugar content befuna vele kukhulunyiwe mawuthi i-South Africa yini Western state
once and for all
mina imanje angivumelani ngaloyo naye ukuthi silo sodwa we're supposed to fight the system parliament nje imensi la ngama-state abo MNC bathi ma-airport MNC
Thomas Sankara
akumi umuntu akuphume umuntu akungeni umuntu
Thomas Sankara mnganami I like a president like Thomas Sankara. Thomas Sankara was a president as a Burkina Faso. Thomas Sankara was not driving in these big engines you'd invite Thomas Sankara a stadium angene ngebhayisikili sorry Kani, why you must get a president? Automatically, since you get the private jet. Are you aware that you must come a shortage of water? Last year, there's so much water. La. Networks jet, hole. Yabona siveles, singabiya stodon salamanda. Mara wena ukhona kuniketa umuntu ijet sine ngithi siniketa labantu lama-jets uyabona uba bathi hayi i-private jet ya president why president angagibeli lapha airport nafuna kuphapha enzaweni yakhe lebalulekile apha phela from OR Tambo ahamba e-America nakungukuthi une-business meeting e-America why kungendeki njani why kungendeki ukuthi hayi man president bukela sikufuna la ungiunderstand ngeke ngasuke eCape Town noma eJozi ngetinyawo etela uyabo mara akabe naleyo ile motorcade lengaka lilandzela umuntu loyi-1 uyabo kume le strat sonke lesi from la uye kufike nasport ma president asenasport sekuma kwasani lamgwaqeni ke kundla president kanti yani le why show off lengaka kanti why sigibele stage kangaka thini and we understand that. Can we elect you to become president and kill you tomorrow?
It's highly impossible.
It's highly impossible.
For what?
You're being elected by us.
If you serve abantu proper, angeke bakubulale.
No, they'll never do that.
What? So you're protect le leader yethu besingalala nayo le.
Besilala nayo.
Nyalo isana sikhathi.
Nyalo yini isikhathi angeke sasibona.
Besilala nayo isofeni nomuntu every day until le nto yaze yaphasa.
Yeah. Anyalo mfana wami ukumthola nasefonini na umtholi. Angeke umthole. He has got a tendency ukuthi namfonela ayibuke solo phone.
Yeah.
Ayifake isikhomeni.
He knows very well ukuthi sinathini ngani. He knows very well, but if one of you would say put ngilambile ngicela imali esingwa nyana ngila kufuna khona
442.
ngilala kufuna khona, but if one umtshotsa hayi ndoda le nto le into flop
Yeah.
angeke sephendule
Done.
against yena mso,
Yeah.
against the system.
So basically, my brother, it's that how I wish we'd see the members of this community can look things
Yeah.
in a different perspective.
Kahlukana.
Uma sikubita ukuthi bowuto bange speaker we raw lesisukusile la yabo. Be the speaker of that raw besuyadlula. So uvumela ama politicians adlale indima yabo. Well, the current councillor he has never been a politician.
Yes.
Uqala ipolitiki ngoba sowula kule system.
Yes.
Yabo.
Yes.
Ushado ngelethe itayela because emngani wami ngeke ngilanze ucorrupt ngithi mina utolunga isikhathi sowula kule system.
The system of corruption is very
uyabo sengilanza wena sibuya la. So ngiyafisa ukuthi abantu ngasibe bangayibuka differently bafake imilo neutral, but unfortunately lama councillors onke la lawanyala afuna lento ayendile inzima yawo ayidlalile to an extent ukuthi i-ANC currently i-ANC i dire situation. Lokho ukuthi nyalo ifuna anyone longa rescueisha la kule simo leso yabo. So if labo councillor abadlali basebenzisa imali bathenga labantu ukuthi abantu emvotela yabo, and ultimately kusuma lebantu abadzala because ngosiyamshela gogo bangaze bafike bamtshele ukuthi gogo lokhu nalokhu kuyolunga siyovotela kahle kahle lo, and lo utasendela ngcono gogo yashesha lengcono uyabona. Then bese basukuma abantu abadzala bahamba bafaka i-ANC ifuna umuntu otoye rescueisha yona i-ANC. So sesilapho. And I mean, I'll be honest with you. I was a member of the ANC before I became a member of the EFF. And manje I can see this wheelbarrow that brought me freedom. I voluntarily said, ngilibamba leli bhara ngilidonse ngilibeke la. Nasena leli bhara selibuyile lihleli la. Then we will be able to deliberate about letinto letithatha leli bhara tilifake ebantwini. Mara I don't want to form part of my politics anymore. Yabo. Because ngiva ngathi drainer the person that I am.
Ngiyabona ngiyadraineka.
Siyadraineka futhi. Umuntu akalali. Yabo. Ufuna uhlala clubhouse mara. Lo muntu lona ngiyakhuluma sokufuna umphendule so. Lo muntu lona uyabo. Ngeke ukuthi bale tonke letinto ngesikhashana. Mina if I can tell you ngiva phela ngikhuhlanya yana. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngilokulala ekseni. Like every day sisedlini sikhuluma ngetinto siya reflect atwetinto ta every day esidlula kuyo yabo. So ugcina lo mtimba uthiniwe se uthi ebabe uvisa amakhata awuphumulise ngicela ukukhomba lento ukuthi mina sengithini ukushaya ngesikole emkhuhlane
yabo sinamele sana correct time now.
No asewude
noma fanele uma ulele ebusuku ngathi ukukhulumisa ukhuluma nge-ANC ukhuluma nge-EFF ukhuluma ngepolitiki
uyapolitika
abantu kulele
so noma bowulele flag so phela uceza kulala ngo past 4 nabazi uba ya revolutionary greetings awujani.
sivala sini my brother.
I will say that let people go and vote for the person that they want. And the person locabanga ukuthi utoweda injustice for them. Lama problems lesiwafacako ezinyamazana yabo nemaphethela batokhona utokhona yini lo muntu kube labana sengiyivuleleke batokhona nabantu ukuthi basolvele lama problems. Never vote for a person lokundlulise ematimeni for the past 5 years bese uthi lo muntu loyo utheni totally change kulesikhathi lesi. That person will never change, my guy. So let us go and vote for change. That's my plea.
So ngive ngathi basi bayiqale phasi nalo bayibisethe i-groundini futhi bayilese ebantwini yenza what happened?
Yeah, bayilethe angisiyathi i-ANC operate njani.
Yeah.
Kuwo onke ma-ward
Yeah.
there's a branch of the ANC.
Yeah.
And then uma isuka from i-BEC bayi-converta because sebabuke ma-elections
Yeah.
bayayitshintsha bathi i-BET.
Okay.
The BET calls a meeting lefaka i-membership of the ANC
Yeah.
to come and elect bantu labayi-4. Then nase baba-electile labantu labayi-4
Ba-electwa ngobani abantu?
ba-electwa i-BEC.
Hayi bani.
Yeah, I see bani.
Ba-electwa le-structure.
Yes, the ANC. You must understand there's an
Aish.
internal process
Aish.
of the ANC.
Aish.
Then after
Singahle
that,
msilezo.
yeah, obviously Adriano. After that,
Yeah.
bayithatha bayibeka ebantwini ukuthi
Sibonitshela ukuthi ngifuna ngikhethe labantu.
no, bayisebenzisa differently this time around.
Ngisho before nyalo baqala bayimikisa ebantwini sile.
Yeah, previously bebayenda njalo. Uyabo?
Nanivotela abantu laba labaqhamuka kithi.
Yes, labangu ANC.
Ngoba bani baba musilapha.
Then abasuka lapho yakubese benani bathi let the voice of the community tell us what to do. Seyithi ANC thine besikhethe lona. If nine libantu lithi bonke labantu laba anibafuni sifuna nyo
Yeah.
kuthatha bangikhansela.
Yeah.
Labantu laba bathi okay bathatha i-ANC ithatha igama lanyoni iyalifaka la liba ligama lesi5.
Yes.
Sebathi nithi lo bathi haya simfuni uyawa automatically. Nithi lo asimfuni. Nithi lo bayingaki labasi lo uyabona njalo until kuze kufike lo lemphakathi usona. Ngithemile i-ANC ikudaya situation. Ifuna anything anyone lo ngakhona yathi kwena kuyi-rescuation. So if this person anebantu labangu angibekise i voters roll inebantu labangu 6,800 yala 190 kuphela. Lo muntu lo wes5 uthola abantu labangu 4,000. Automatically that person uyatwendeni urescueisha i-ANC because ibe i-ANC seyam-absorba uba yini member layo. Uyabo?
I remember puppet yeah.
Yes. Mara ngisiyalo njalo sikhuluma lokuthi sebam-absorbile sobuyile kubo. Then bayamthatha bamfaka. They know they are certain ukuthi we are going to have 4,000 votes kuphi e-190 ngale phase le. Uyabo? Then they will continue.
Bamnika
Yeah. So that's how it is. But I'm saying that bantu abasukume.
Yeah.
Let us go and vote for change.
Yes.
Yabo. We can't go through into lefanako. Otherwise ungahlatshwa nyeva lelifanako kanenene. Show to dom la isho ona ngabe kwenteka lo. So let us go and vote for change.
Danko.
Danko.